everyone. How is everyone today? I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna open my Walmart beauty box. I got it today. Husband went to the mail and brought it in, and there it is. I've been waiting for my Ipsy glam bag, but it's still not here. I had a little trouble with a card. Someone hacked into my account. I had to change it all. Anyway, it was a mess, but it's fixed now. So I'm patiently waiting for it. It should be here by Friday, they said. So I'm excited. But meanwhile, I have the Walmart beauty box. So if you want to see what they sent me, which I have no idea, please stay tuned. Okay, gonna open it up here and see what goodies they sent me this time. I believe this is the summer box. Well, yeah, still summer technically. I don't want to rush this season, that's for sure. Oh my gosh. I mean, I love fall and all, but after fall comes winter, and oh man, winter is brutal where I live. So I'm not looking forward to that. Alright, here it is. It says, oh, hello sunshine. Got some tissue paper here. And they want me to rate and review this season's products at walmart.com. So I'll go online and do that a little bit later. But meanwhile, I'm going to see what I have. Ooh, I like what I see so far. Wow, I'm impressed. Usually I just get a bunch of foil packets and maybe a couple little deluxe samples, but this time I got a razor. It's a Bic, for sensitive skin, I imagine. Yeah, and it has a 3-blade thingy. So my razor just went dull, so this is perfect. Okay, and next is, oh, Blistex. That's one of my favorite lip balms and lip creams. I get chapped lips a lot and dry lips, and I go through tubes of this. But this is different. I haven't seen this one. It's a conditioning lip serum. 1 drop, deep condition. It has nutrients, rich oil. It's nutrients and rich oil and vitamin E in it. Oh my goodness. Huh. Let me open this up. I decided to film upstairs today. Didn't want to go in the basement. I don't know, this it's not a backdrop, it's actually my fireplace. But I just can't seem to get my backdrop correct. I used white for the last several videos, and I noticed it made my face look dark. You couldn't see me. So I'm just experimenting. Okay, there it is. It's a nice fat tube. Oh, well, that's cool. It's a little pump, huh? And there's the cream. Oh, it's really thick and rich. But that little bit goes a long ways. This is like, oh, it smells like candy. It smells good. Rubbed in my dry hands too. They need all the help they can get, that's for sure. Alright, so that's that. And then next I'm pulling out is by ROC Retinol Correction Eye Cream. I don't know if I use this brand. I know about it. I've seen it in the store. I don't remember. I might have, but not recently. Alright, let's see here how it's packaged. Okay, get it open. Aha. Glued down. Okay, there's the tube. And it's eye cream. Oh, I've been getting a lot of eye cream lately. But I can use it. My poor eyes they're seeing their years, let me tell ya. Let's do this on the other hand. It's kind of it's a thinner consistency than that lip balm or cream. Here is the eye cream. Rub it in. Feels nice and silky. No smell. Okay, we'll give that a try. I'm glad they decided to give me some real samples this time. I've been kind of disappointed about it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. This is actually a free box. You get it every season. Spring, summer, fall, winter. But you do pay for shipping, but it's a flat rate of $5 and no tax. So it's a pretty good deal. Oh, I got this once before. It's a mascara by Maybelline. It's their old standby, the pink and green tube. Great lash. I used to use this all the time when I was much younger. It's all I used, and I loved it then. But now I have so many mascaras from my other subscription boxes that I'll probably go ahead and gift that. Okay, let's see. I pulled out more. They said 1, 2, 3, 4 already. Now I'm getting some foil packets. It's Navina aloe vera body lotion. Just a little packet. And Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips for your nose. I haven't seen those. I've seen some, but I haven't seen these. And it comes with a card explaining the product. Clogged pores, blackheads, witch please. Witch Hazel is really good. I buy a bottle of it and use it as a toner. I don't have blackheads or deep pores, so I'll see who can use that. And here's a little card that tells me about the Ballistic Conditioning Lip Serum. And one more card. Well, no, there's another card. It's under this one. This tells you about the RLC eye cream. So it's nice that they give you information about each product. And I think this, yeah, this is last. And this is about the razor. Well, I'm really happy with this season's box. It's well worth the $5. I can't remember what these razor blades cost, but I know they're at least that, if not a little more. Of course, Ballistics, that's a lot more than that. And I'm not sure what this is, but oh yeah, this. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, with a little 6th item being a packet. So that is what I got in my Walmart beauty box this season. Also, I want to remind everyone to please subscribe. Right down there is a button. Also, smash that bell for future notifications of upcoming videos. Also, comment. Do you get the Walmart beauty box? And if so, do you enjoy it? They do have, go online and they, you fill out a little answer quiz. You fill out a little quiz. If I can get that out of my mouth. And they kind of go by that a little bit, you know. But anyways, I'm kind of digressed here. I wanted to tell you to share this video and like this video. Or not. And I think that's it. Yeah, it is it. So, thanks everyone for stopping in, and I will see you real soon. Bye.